Hi there, welcome to this video. So here's a quick video on how to indicate if your numbers are negative or positive values using a color coding, either red or black, in your visualization in Tableau. And I'm going to be using a cross tab. So to create that, I'm going to drag in, for example, customer name into the rows pane. However, the measures I'm going to be using will not go into the rows or column, rather it will go into the test mark, because that's where the color coding will be taking place. And I'm going to use the same measure as the for the color as well. Because I'm using discount, I'm going to drag in discount into color, and you can see that it has given me a sequential value. However, I will need a divergence. It's sequential because I have just one value and it's just going to show ranges, so I do not have a negative in this value, so it's may not work for this measure. So let's bring in profit and see if we would have any negative value in there. And yes, we have this as well, so I'm going to bring in profit instead. So you cannot use color coding when just is just one. It's going to just go for sequential, but because it has both negative, I have divergent here. So I'll go to color and edit to make sure that I have just two ranges, which is red and possibly black. So I'm going to click on this and reduce it to two steps, so it gives me this two, and I can make the center is on 0, so it's going to have a middle ground on 0, so anything less than 0 falls into red. So to change this, I'm good with this color, but if I want to change it to brighter red, I can actually look for the range of values here, or I can just put in the X code into this place if I have the palette code. But I want this to be black, so I'm going to do this, and I have it there. And you can see that it has changed into red and black, and you can see it has affected my mark as well.